Pencil, paper, chalk in the floor. Then the dreams drive out the door. Simple stuff, making a statement, coming to life from paper to pavement.
Welcome back to Paper to Pavement. On this episode, we have a Jeep show to go to. It is a benefit show from a buddy Charlie that lost his home in the tornadoes. We're going to be running to Madison, Indiana, to the, what's it called, Mama? The Madison Fun Factory is where it's going to be at. I've never been there before, so we are going to load Chilly Willy up since Charlie's a Jeep guy, and we're going to be sure that we're showing with a Jeep there in honor of him on a beautiful Saturday. The forecast looks like it's going to be a mild precipitation, but we're ready for Chilly Willy to be a wet willy if necessary.
so far from the GoFundMe pages, the Jimbo, everything from every one of you guys started donating, we've been able to put a down payment on our house. Probably going to be November before we're in, but at least we got it done. This money is going to go towards furnishing the house and getting everything else that we need ready. So we appreciate every one of you guys coming out here today and supporting us. So we're going to start in no particular order on top 10.
Oh, there's the man, Jimmy Floyd. Rusty old bow tie. We go! Stuff like this, yeah.
Kim Smith is star number 13.
Yay, Kim! We won! Yay!
You should visit his channel on Paper to Pavement on YouTube. You guys, we can finish on Jimbo, and then we'll take care of stuff right here.
I love it.
That benefit show was a huge success. They raised over $5,000 in total for the whole day. And we didn't show up empty-handed either. Because of the people that show up in the chat on our live, we got to take them a few $100 too. So thank you guys so much for supporting us. And we didn't just get to show up and display for them, we actually got to help support their cause too. So thank you so much for helping support my friends. Well, now that we're back here, reality is set back in, and it is sewing time again. I got a job in here from Super Shine. It's a little repair job that me and Jimbo Slice went and tore apart the other day. And I have peeled it all apart, piece by piece, plucked every piece of thread, and then I glued it all to foam after I cut new vinyl to replace pretty much the entire cushion. I've got it all sewn together now, and I have to clean up all the marks on it, but we have a full seat cover now for my buddy Kendall over at Super Shine in Madison. So I have to do a foam repair here, last little thing I got to do, and then I will wrap this thing up, steam it really nice, clean it up as good as I can, and then me and Jimbo Slice will be loading up in the bus and heading to Super Shine in the morning to get this thing all reinstalled in their work truck. All right guys, Jimbo Slice is the cameraman for the day. We're here at Super Shine and we're gonna put in this seat repair we just did. Handing off the responsibility to Jimmy now. Say hi to the people, Jimmy. Where you at, Jimbo? Here, you can climb up there. You see better there, man?
Yeah.
That better? All right, I have got more latches to get in here. Okay. Where is the edge of this thing?
What are you trying to look for?
Trying to find the edge of this seat.
Are you talking this edge right here?
Got it.
Pulled it off?
All right, dude.
Let me see.
Now let's snap this on the side. Come over here. Come around, you can get me snapping it on the sides, okay? And then we're all done.
Jump down. Pretty hard spot to jump. Just walk over here. I'm almost back here.
That back one. All right, bro. Bad boy's done.
Are you good?
Why don't you climb up there and see how it feels?
Yep.
Sit in it. Grab the steering wheel.
Yeah, it feels.
Could you drive it?
Yeah.
We have got to thank Jimmy Floyd Motorsports for sponsoring Paper to Pavement. He's threw some fuel in the bus that's been getting us around to these events the last couple episodes, and he's been spreading the word about the channel to everybody here locally for me, which has helped out a ton. It introduced me to Kendall there at Super Shine, and Kendall sent me home with the project we're gonna get going on the next episode with, this 88 to 98 bench seat. We're gonna go from this tweed to a vinyl, and then we've got a little repair to do on it too. So be sure to come back next week to see that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in this week and meeting all these local spots and my buddies here locally and supporting them all. I got quite the kick when I walked up to that table and seen that they had 3D printed tornadoes for the trophies. That was a really cool way to bring what could have been a bad memory back home with us. I love them people so much, and to see them be able to raise enough money to put a down payment on a house and stay. The storm didn't run them out of town. They're still deputy residents, which is great moving forward. We need good people in the area, and they for sure are that. Thank you all so much for supporting them in their time of need. Really means a lot to me. Anybody else that is wanting to spread some cheer around here, you could help an aspiring toy designer over at papertopavement.com, because I have just launched the Kitty Cat Carnival Punks. They're now live over there. I've got some of the gold first editions, and I have got the platinum first editions. Be sure to run over there and get them, because there are only 20 of those first editions, and then I'll be restocking as I go, and I'm gonna be doing them in runs of 10 and uploading them and sharing it here on the show. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be sure to keep adding those carnival critters to your collection. Thank you all so much for tuning in this week. I will see you Wednesday night, 7 o'clock Eastern Time, right back here on the Paper to Pavement YouTube channel to answer any questions you got, and also to announce some new sponsors that we've been able to pick up thanks to our association with Jimmy Floyd Motorsports. Thank you so much, buddy. I will see y'all there Wednesday night, and y'all keep having fun out there. I love you.
We start with pencil, paper, chalk, and the floor. Then the dreams drive out the door. Simple stuff, making a statement, coming to life from paper to